Let's dive into Pi Network's second migration phase. We're going to explore what this means for you, the pioneer, and for the entire Pi ecosystem. This is a significant step forward in realizing the vision of Pi Network. If you've been mining Pi, diligently tapping that button each day, contributing to the network's security and growth, this is the moment your in-app balance can finally move to the real mainnet blockchain. All those Pi you've accumulated are about to become a tangible asset on the Pi mainnet. This isn't just another update, it's not just a minor tweak or a bug fix, it's a major leap for the entire community. It represents a pivotal moment where the theoretical becomes practical. The core team has spent months tirelessly working behind the scenes, making sure this process is secure and ready for millions. They've implemented robust security measures to protect your Pi and ensure a smooth transition. The second phase links your KYC verified identity to your mined Pi, ensuring that only legitimate users are participating in the network, bridging the app and the decentralized future. It's connecting your efforts within the Pi app to the broader world of blockchain and decentralized finance. Now, your participation matters more than ever. This isn't a passive process, it requires your active involvement to ensure a successful migration. It's not just about tapping the mine button, that was just the beginning. You need to complete your checklist, ensuring you've taken all the necessary steps to prepare for migration and secure your account. Protecting your Pi is paramount, and this phase emphasizes the importance of robust security measures. We'll break down what you need to do, providing a clear and concise guide to navigate the migration process. What to expect, outlining the timeline and key milestones along the way, and why this is such a big deal for Pi. This migration is a critical step towards realizing the full potential of the Pi network. The success of this migration depends on informed, prepared pioneers. Your understanding and participation are crucial for the network's overall success. When you know what's happening, when you're well informed about the process, you can avoid mistakes and help the network grow. Informed users make better decisions, contributing to a stronger and more resilient network. This phase powers the enclosed mainnet, the secure and controlled environment where Pi transactions and applications will initially operate, where apps and utilities will develop, creating a vibrant ecosystem of Pi-powered services, before Pi opens to the world. This enclosed period allows for testing, refinement, and the establishment of a solid foundation. Your role is crucial. You are an integral part of this process. This is the step that gives your Pi real-world potential. It's the bridge between digital mining and tangible value. Ready to see what's next? Are you prepared to take the next step in your Pi journey? Let's get into the details. We'll break down the complexities and provide you with the information you need. Here's what you need to know to make the most of this migration. We're here to guide you through every step of the way, ensuring a successful and rewarding experience. So, what exactly does Phase 2 really entail? What are the key components, and why is it such a pivotal moment for the Pi network? We're going to break it down and explore the significance of this stage in our journey. At its core, it's the expansion of the migration process. It's about scaling up and preparing for the next major leap forward. We're moving from small, controlled test groups to a much larger scale, encompassing millions of pioneers worldwide. This expansion is crucial for testing the network's capacity and ensuring a smooth transition for everyone. Think of it as the general boarding call for the mainnet. Everyone's getting ready to board, and we're making sure the process is as organized and efficient as possible. It's an exciting time as we prepare for the next phase of our journey. The core team has been hard at work, carefully refining the process based on the initial testing and feedback. The goal is to make it smoother and faster for everyone involved, ensuring a seamless experience as we move towards the mainnet launch. We want to minimize any potential hiccups and ensure a positive experience for all pioneers. This phase focuses primarily on two critical things, both of which are essential for a successful transition. First, we have KYC verification, and second, balance migration. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a crucial step that proves you're a real person and not a bot or a fake account. This is vital for maintaining the integrity of the network. Balance migration is the process that securely moves your Pi from the in-app environment to your designated mainnet wallet, making it accessible on the blockchain. These two steps are now synchronized to facilitate a huge wave of users joining the mainnet. This coordinated approach ensures a smooth and efficient onboarding process for everyone. This is how your in-app Pi, the Pi you've been mining and contributing to, finally becomes real cryptocurrency on the blockchain, with tangible value and utility within the Pi network ecosystem. The ultimate goal is to get as many verified humans onto the mainnet as possible, creating a robust and trustworthy network. This significantly strengthens the overall security of the Pi network, drastically reduces the number of fake accounts and malicious actors, and builds a strong foundation of trust and credibility in Pi's long-term future and potential. Because when the open network finally launches and becomes fully operational, Pi's value and utility will ultimately rest on a solid and verifiable base of real engaged participants. That's precisely why Phase 2 is such a critical and indispensable step in the overall Pi network roadmap. So, let's explore how you can actively participate and be an integral part of this exciting phase. KYC is your golden ticket to the mainnet. Without it, your Pi stays locked in the app. KYC ensures one person, one account, no bots, no fakes. You'll get an invitation in the Pi app when it's your turn. Submit your government ID and do a quick liveness check in the Pi KYC app. AI and community validators process your application, keeping things secure and private. KYC slots are released in batches, so be patient if you haven't received yours yet. Keep mining, update your app, and watch for the notification. Once you pass KYC, your mainnet checklist updates and you're eligible for migration. This is a huge milestone. Now you're a verified pioneer. Take KYC seriously, follow instructions, and get it done as soon as you're invited. It's the gateway to everything that comes next. Don't rush or look for shortcuts. Just wait for your official slot. Your mainnet journey starts here. Wondering why you haven't migrated to the mainnet yet? You're eager to see your Pi in your wallet, ready to be used in the Pi ecosystem. You're not alone in feeling this way. Many pioneers are anticipating their turn. It's all about waves. Migration isn't a free-for-all. It's carefully orchestrated in waves. Think of it like the tide, coming in and going out in a controlled manner. Migrating millions of users all at once would be like trying to force an entire ocean through a garden hose. It would crash the system. The Pi network is designed for scalability, but even the best systems have limits. So, the core team does it in controlled batches. This allows for careful monitoring and management of the network's resources. It's like a well-managed concert venue, letting people in gradually to avoid chaos. Each batch provides valuable data. It helps the core team spot and fix any unforeseen issues that arise during the migration process. Think of it as a continuous quality control process. This ensures a smoother experience for everyone before the next group moves. It's about creating a stable and reliable mainnet for the long term. This careful, phased approach keeps your Pi safe and the network stable. Security is paramount, and stability is essential for a thriving ecosystem. So, who gets migrated when? What determines your place in the migration queue? It's not a simple first-come, first-served system. The algorithm considers several factors to ensure fairness and security. Factors include when you joined the Pi network. Your contribution to the community since day one is taken into account. Of course, your KYC status is a critical factor. Completing KYC is essential for participating in the mainnet, and your security circle plays a role. A strong and trustworthy security circle demonstrates your commitment to the network's integrity. Because of these factors, your friend might migrate before you or after you. Try not to compare your progress to others. Remember, it's not a race. The goal is a secure and sustainable mainnet for everyone. Everyone who completes KYC and the mainnet checklist will get their turn to migrate. The core team is working diligently to process everyone as quickly and safely as possible. In the meantime, be vigilant and don't fall for scams promising faster migration. These are often attempts to steal your Pi or personal information. Remember, only the official Pi app can move you to the mainnet. No third-party service or website can perform this function. Use this time to double-check your mainnet checklist within the Pi app. Make sure you've completed all the necessary steps, and most importantly, secure your wallet passphrase. This is the key to your Pi, so keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Make sure your security circle is solid and consists of people you trust. A strong security circle helps protect your account and the network as a whole. Patience now means a smoother transition later. By taking the time to prepare, you'll be ready when your turn comes. Stay ready and informed, not passive and uninformed. Keep up with official announcements from the core team. When your wave is called, you'll be set for a seamless move to the mainnet, ready to participate in the Pi ecosystem. The entire process is carefully designed for your security, the network's stability, and ultimately, the long-term success of the Pi network. Want to be ready for migration? Here's your checklist. First, complete KYC as soon as you're invited. No KYC, no migration. Next, finish the mainnet checklist in the app. Download Pi Browser, create your wallet, confirm your address and sign the acknowledgement. Every item needs a green check mark. Keep your Pi app updated. Updates bring bug fixes and new features for migration. Turn on automatic updates if possible. Most importantly, secure your wallet passphrase. Write it down and store it offline. Never share it or save it on your phone. Lose your passphrase and your Pi is gone forever. Double-check your security circle. Make sure it's people you trust. These steps are your responsibility. Take a few minutes to review everything today. Being prepared means you'll migrate smoothly when your turn comes. Don't wait until the last minute. Protect your assets now. Your future Pi depends on it. Security is everything as Pi gets closer to real value. The core team will never ask for your password or wallet passphrase. Anyone who does is a scammer. Ignore messages promising special access or extra Pi. Your wallet passphrase is the key to your Pi. Protect it at all costs. Write it down and store it in secure, separate places. Be careful with apps and sites you use in the Pi browser. Stick to trusted official ones. Always check URLs to avoid phishing scams. Review your security circle, only include people you trust. A strong security circle helps protect your account. As mainnet grows, your vigilance is your best defense. Take a few minutes to review your security practices now. It's a small step that protects your Pi for years. Stay alert, stay safe. Why all this effort? Because it's the foundation for Pi's future. The goal is a decentralized, accessible digital currency with real value. This migration builds a secure, fair economy, one verified user at a time. The enclosed mainnet lets pioneers use Pi for real goods and services, not just speculation. KYC and migration prevent fake accounts and ensure fair distribution. Every successful migration strengthens the network and its value. This is the bridge from theory to practice, turning Pi from a promise into a real asset. Developers, merchants, and pioneers can finally build and use the Pi ecosystem. Each step forward is building something designed to last. All of this leads to the open network. The moment Pi connects to the world, the firewall will drop and Pi can join exchanges and other blockchains. But first, we need a strong, active mainnet community. This migration phase builds that foundation, attracting developers and businesses. During the enclosed period, real apps and utilities can grow and prove their value. When Pi opens up, it'll be more than just a coin. It'll be a platform with real use cases. Waiting until most users are migrated means Pi's value is based on real utility, not just hype. Every pioneer who migrates helps build this robust ecosystem. You're not just moving coins, you're shaping Pi's future. The open network will be ready when the community is. To wrap up, the second migration phase is a huge step for Pi Network. It's happening in waves for stability, so patience is key. Focus on your checklist: KYC, mainnet steps, app updates, and wallet security. Every migration strengthens the network and brings us closer to real-world Pi utility. This is the foundation of a new digital economy. Stay informed through official channels. Ignore rumors and scams. There are no shortcuts. Follow the process. Your turn will come. Everyone is included. We're moving from mining to real utility. The vision of a global decentralized currency is getting closer every day. Stay ready, stay secure, and stay excited. The future of Pi is being built right now, with you in it. Thanks for watching.